DJ Mo Twister tuluyan na ngang iniwan ng kanyang wife. Ito ayon na rin sa naging post ni DJ Mo, kung saan ay tila kinuha at hinakot na nga daw ng kanyang asawa na si Angelique Copter ang mga gamit nito habang siya ay nasa trabaho. Ngayon ay tuluyan na ngang nilisan ni DJ Mo ang nasabi nga pong tahanan na di umano ay kaniyang minamahal dahil dito nabuo ang pamilya na kasama ang kanyang wife na si Angelique at syempre ang kanilang mga anak. Narito ang naging emotional na kwento ni DJ Mo na nagkaroon nga ng palaisipan sa mga netizen. Burado na ang nasabing post pero syempre dahil po ito ay captured na ng iba't ibang artikulo, atin pong ibahagi ang naging kwento ni Mo. Ayon sa kanya, I said goodbye to a home I absolutely love. For the first time, I turned off every single light in the house and locked the door one last time. I am not grieving the walls but what they held. Two beautiful kids were raised in this home and it was supposed to be theirs. As many of you know, some months ago I lost my son. Someone came home after being released from jail and while I was at work, took him and everything in the house she identified as valuable. All the nice stuff, the expensive couch, the fancy furnishings and kitchenware, everything she thought was worth something to her, leaving what she thought was junk. As I went through the junk, I found the most valuable of things. I found his hospital bracelet from the day he was born, even if I wasn't a part of his life yet then. His first tooth, his first homework assignment. I found my daughter's hospital bracelet too. I've always kept every tooth and other mementos like their first haircut, all their schoolwork books, and every toy I was always so excited to buy for them. There were no Hermes bags left behind, there were no Hermes earrings left behind, no Hermes clothes, no Hermes shoes, just a few pieces of junk, which was the history of these children. I had to empty the house today, but I did leave one thing behind. A drawing my son made of him and his sister's taped on his wall. It's not the Vinci level art, but it's priceless. With the heaviest heart, I left my home today, and it feels like yet another connection I have with him gone. I have purchased a new home and will wait for him to come back one day in the meantime. There's literally only one person on this planet that doesn't call him my son, and that's the only piece of junk I left behind. Well, nagkatugma-tugma na nga ang kwento dahil tila ang lalaking anak ni Angelique ay hindi kay Mo Twister. Pero ito ay itinuring na buong-buong anak ni Mo. At kung titignan nyo nga yung grieve niya na tila sinasabi na ni Angelique na hindi naman si Mo ang anak, ang tatay nito, kaya naman tila walang karapatan dito si DJ Mo, kung saan ito ang ikinalulungkot ni Mo dahil talagang itinuring niya anak ang nasabi nga pong bata na kung saan ay sinasabi at tinatawag niyang son. Ilang mga netizen ang nagsabi na okay lang, lalaki naman siya at kung talagang minahal mo siya for sure ay babalik siya sa'yo. Ang ilan naman ay sinabing ang anak niyo nga ni Bani Paras ay nakalimutan mo. Say ng mga netizen mula sa komento ng Fashion Police, hindi na po natin ilalagay dito pero ayon sa kanila, karma na nga lang daw ito kay Mo dahil na rin sa past relationship katulad ni Bani Paras na na-interview pa before ni OG Diaz na kung saan ay umiiyak ito at sinasabing anak din niya ang nasabi nga pong anak nila ni Bani na nagkaroon ng sakit at tanging si Bani lamang ang talagang nag-raise sa kanilang anak. Pero mula sa photo na ibinahagi ng Pep before noong kasal ng anak ni Bani ay namataan na nandoon naman si Mo Twister. Well, ano ang masasabi nyo about dito? Ilagay na ang inyong opinion sa ating comment section. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.